The cylinder kit consists of a new cylinder, a piston ring, a new screw for the piston ring keeper, and the seals for the cylinder and valve plate. The piston ring seals the piston to the cylinder so the piston can create compressed air. Over time, the piston ring and cylinder will wear. When this occurs, air will leak past the piston ring out of the cylinder. The compressor will continue to run without building tank pressure. Installing a new cylinder kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before making any repairs on your air compressor, be sure to unplug the cord and drain the air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the manifold from the top cover. Now remove the front motor cover. It's secured with one screw on the front side. Once the screws are removed, I'll use a screwdriver to release the plastic tabs. Next, I'll remove the outlet tube. With the outlet tube removed, now I can remove the head. Now remove the connecting rod from the flywheel. I'll use a screwdriver to bind up the connecting rod so it can't move, and a wrench to remove the bolt. And now I can remove the connecting rod. Now I'll remove the cylinder from the piston. And I can remove the piston ring. Now install the new piston ring that came in the kit. I place it on top of the piston, reinstall the piston ring keeper, and secure it with the new screw that came in the kit. And this screw should be tightened to between 51 and 63 inch-pounds of torque. I'll install the piston into the new cylinder. And reinstall this assembly back onto the air compressor. You'll notice one side of the connecting rod says "this side out," and that side should be pointed out away towards you. I'll reinstall the connecting rod bolt and torque it to between 100 and 120 foot-pounds. Again, I'll bind the flywheel from rotating with a screwdriver. Next, I'll install the new O-rings that came with the kit. First, the cylinder O-ring. And then the valve head O-ring. Now I'll reinstall the head assembly back onto the compressor. And the head bolts get torqued to between 84 and 120 inch-pounds. Now I'll reinstall the outlet tube. Now I can replace the rear motor cover. And I'll replace the wheel. Now I'll reinstall the front motor cover. I snap the plastic tabs back into place. And secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the wheel. Now I'll reinstall the cover and the manifold. I'll align the cover with the frame and secure it with the screws. Now I'll realign the manifold with the cover and secure it. And now you can replace the cylinder kit in your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.